Okay, so in this one, we're going to look at how to create shapes like this. And it looks like, oh, wow, that's a lot to do. And it's not all that much to do, really, if you know the right tool to do it. So the first thing, we're going to start off easy with these squares, and then we'll advance into some of these more complex shapes. So I'm just going to draw a square. I'm going to go into Effect, Distort and Transform, and Transform. And here's my transform effect. Click on preview so I can see what's happening. I'm going to say, you know what, let's go 95 in and 95 in. Oops. No movement. That's it. Let's do 50 copies. And there it is. So really easy to kind of manipulate. Now, if I want to go... So this is saying apply a new effect or cancel. Yeah. So you can kind of decide if you want to reapply it. You can kind of do it that way. In the appearance panel, which we haven't talked about, but if you click on the appearance panel, you see it says transform. I can click on that, and now I can kind of live edit these. Let's do 90, 90, and let's do 40. And you can see I can continue to click on transform and make that edit. So let's take that over here. Let's make that edit. We're going to make this little shape that's over here. I'm going to click on transform. And I'm going to say, okay, let's do that. But let's move this. And we're going to rotate it. I don't know. Let's go 15 degrees. Right, so you can see it moved it right in the center there. But what if we move this off the edge? What if we move this? So you can see I can start to create all these different things. Let's not do as many copies. Let's do 20. And let's not rotate this as much. Let's go 5 degrees. And where it says scale and stroke effects, so it gets lighter as it goes back as this gets smaller. Right, so that's how that was created. So some really kind of simple things to do. Next, we're going to kind of dive into these hexagon shapes to create some interesting little logos and some interesting kind of things with it.